we are doing a sushi mukbang, and we are also doing Who Knows My Girl. Y'all already know my girl from the last video.
The Duchess is back. Okay.
Or whatever. And then this is my sister Iasia. I think she was in one of those videos. I forgot, it's been a long time since I've done a video with her. But let us enjoy this food. My grandma's gonna pray, and then we're gonna eat a little, and then my grandma's gonna ask us questions about us. Okay? Okay.
Okay, so Jehovah God, thank you for this food we're about to receive, and please let it be so good to our tummies, because we're so excited to try the sushis. And we want to thank you for everything else. Please don't let us choke. We'll probably tear everything up. We don't mean to go fast. We're going to go slow. In all things we ask in your Son, Jesus Christ. Amen.
Amen. Okay, so what do we have?
Okay, so over here we have sweet potato, and we have the chicken tempura. The chicken tempura. No, they're two chickens.
These are the tempura. That is
it's different.
Whatever you got.
It got fish eggs on top.
Fish eggs.
That.
Fish eggs are the poke.
Yeah, but I got 2 chicken tempura. So this is 5. She said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the sweet potato.
Okay, I got it. And then we have the California roll, and then we have the cotton roll, and then we have the chicken tempura burritos.
What's these wontons?
The vegetable spring rolls.
Vegetable spring rolls. And then I think these are wontons. Cheese wontons.
Mm-hmm.
And then a teriyaki. What is it?
How's she gonna be saying stuff and she don't know what stuff is and asking me?
God, you
did.
got it.
Come on, pay attention. This is the noodle and noodle and chicken hibachi bowl.
Yeah, whatever they said.
So yeah, let's get started. We got all this freaking soy sauce. Here, you want this?
Oh, you don't break this apart?
You do? Yeah.
I don't know how to use this stuff.
I say.
So, what are you gonna try first?
So we all should like try the same thing. We should try something that we didn't try before. So
okay, let's do the sweet potato.
That's just filled with
I'm hot.
potatoes.
Oh, let me get my soy sauce. It's it's salty.
It tastes like sweet potato.
I don't really like sweet potato, but
How do you use these things? How do you hold them?
Oh, and we got this from Mr. Sushi in Cherry Hill. And my favorite one is wasabi. We go to wasabi all the time. So the first one we're trying is the sweet potato roll.
come on, Grams.
Did I make this? Do you think I would have had these things stuck together like that? I'm gonna need a fork.
Good.
I got it here. I'm too old for that shit.
Yeah, she's gonna
I
use
got
it
the
for
big one.
Ready? Wait, you want to dip it in soy sauce?
No, see, mine fell all apart. Oh, look at that. I got to get another one.
It smells good. It smells like chicken.
Okay. Are
Cheers.
we ready?
Cheers. Go.
Not bad.
It has like a chicken taste. I don't really eat sweet
It
potato.
tastes like the crab stick from a Chinese
That's
store.
pretty good.
I think it do got a little crab in there.
The yam is good.
It tastes like a crab stick from a
Potato
Chinese
yam?
store.
Mm-hmm. Well, sweet potato, yam, same
That's
thing.
good. I didn't expect that to be
That
like
is
that.
good. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's skip over the tapico. Let's go with the chicken tempura.
That's not the chicken.
This is such a good. This is a whole one. Let me get mine.
Wait a minute. How come?
Me too. I want this one though. Oh, they're like. Okay. Ready?
Look, that broke off. You got to get one of these, Mom. Because your whole one right
I
there.
just want to taste a piece of it.
Okay.
Because my mouth's not big enough to stuff the whole thing.
All right.
Cheers. Grandma, you got two.
That's one whole wrap. What are you talking about? She got your other half to your wrap.
Oh.
Come
You
on,
only took a piece of chicken out the wrap.
Oh, okay.
ready? One.
Like, I don't know what I'm talking about.
Go. That's the avocado.
That's good.
Mm.
I like that. I like it. It's good. It's good without the soy sauce.
We dip mine in soy sauce. What is this? The hot stuff?
That's ginger.
But I don't think we got wasabi on our plates. Come on, why are your face looking like that? Can you open this? That's good. Now I know what to put.
Let's try the wonton.
There's so many flavors going on in my
It's
mouth.
in
Right? First I got the avocado, then it tastes like
That's
chicken,
good.
then it tastes like.
That's good.
Next we're tasting the cheese wonton.
What's the sauce that go with it?
I don't know.
Let me taste the salt.
Yeah, you taste it first. It better be. Let me
I
taste.
don't know. It tastes like a raspberry or strawberry. You're not tasting it right.
I'm not tasting it right. I am tasting it. It do taste like that, but I don't like it.
It's sweet. It's good.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. They go to cheese wonton.
I don't know how do you eat these. They smell good.
Here, come on, smack. That's why you got the good fruity
Cheers.
thingy. I want to taste it with this.
Ready?
It's good.
It's like
Yes.
strawberry.
Yeah. See, y'all should have put some sauce on it.
I think this is dessert.
It's cheese wonton.
It's good, but it's like dessert.
That's good. I'm gonna be ordering me some cheese wonton. Okay, we're gonna do that, or
That's not for me.
Yeah, let's try that.
okay, we got the vegetable spring roll here.
That's soy sauce? Oh, no.
That looks like sweet sauce again. The same as the cheese.
Okay.
Everybody get there.
This is a vegetable spring roll.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dip in the soy sauce.
Ready?
Oh, cheers.
It's like applesauce. That's what this tastes like. Creamy applesauce.
It's like, it's sweet.
They got like onions, lettuce, carrots. And cabbage or something like that.
It's definitely sweeter when you put it in this applesauce tasting stuff.
Applesauce tasting stuff.
We're gonna save the burrito for last. It looks good.
What about this?
That's my dinner. I think that's more.
Oh, it was like,
Let's do that.
okay, Okay, so this one, we're gonna try the California roll.
Yes.
It got
Avocado,
yeah.
cucumber, imitation crab, seaweed, and rice.
Seaweed.
Is that not seaweed?
But wait a minute, you got half stuffed with y'all. You don't like that?
No, this is how you do it.
This isn't my type of
Put it
style.
there and, you know, you eat
Why?
it.
It's more left.
the
You should have ate
cheese-
the whole
The
thing.
cheese wonton isn't my
Not
type of
cheese
style.
wonton. I thought it was gonna be more like mozzarella type.
Yeah, that's like fruity.
That's why I took like a big bite.
Okay, so which one we doing?
Half of that joint. I should've-
So what is this called? This one right here.
Connie.
Connie breaking up.
I can already taste this. It's good, Grandma. It has like a plain taste.
Ready? Cheers.
Booyah.
Like it? You don't like it?
Is that salmon?
It's imitation crab.
Oh, it's double that down.
Yeah.
Alright, let me put in some soy sauce or something.
I love it.
Okay.
You like it?
That's kind of wrong. It's good.
Oh, that I just said the California roll. The Connie roll just has seaweed.
That Connie roll
imitation crab roll.
is funky.
You don't like it?
Like something fresh out there. It's fresh out the sea.
Alright, let's do the California.
I can't believe this. Ooh, look, what's happening?
Go ahead, Grams, do your thing.
I don't know what to put it in.
Oh, that one got 4 pieces of.
That's mine.
Alright, let's
Wait,
go.
cheers.
Booyah.
It just tastes fresh. It's fresh. Grandma. What? Did you put wasabi on it? I mean, sweet sauce? Grandma. Alright, let's do this.
I like that. I like.
We skipped over.
How would you rate it? Like rate the.
That's making my stomach hurt.
Okay, so far.
It's too rawish, like.
raw.
It has like everything in your mouth. It makes it mushy, and I like it.
Yeah, the avocado. I'm really like it, but
I like it.
Okay, so what's this?
I don't want to try that. I'm scared.
I honestly
It's got fish eggs in it.
don't know what it is.
I don't want to eat it. I don't want to.
I'm just gonna use a separate.
I know it's falling apart here.
Because you're not supposed to use a fork.
Alright, let's go.
Just in case. Even I don't know.
Alright, let's go. Boom bam.
Wait, what is this?
Come on.
I don't know
Boom,
what
bam.
it is.
It's chicken tempura. Remember, I got 2 chickens. Let's go.
If you didn't get anything,
Look, just try it. We have to try it. What is this like?
Chicken. Chicken.
We're waiting for
Do you
you.
taste the eggs?
It's alright. It's not nasty.
I don't want a fish egg. I'm gonna eat the part that don't have the fish eggs.
Can't even taste that. What do you think? You gonna have baby tadpoles running in your stomach?
I feel a little bit plain to me.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, I it's just there. Did we get a chicken burrito? Chicken tempura. Maybe you should go get the knife so we can cut it. Cut. Okay. That's on mine. Now that's pretty good.
It's like soggy.
It's okay.
I must have had like
Hand the bowl.
like sauces to them.
Oh yeah.
It has like that smoky flavor to it.
I like the look at the one with the steak in it, right?
Would have been chicken.
You had extra steak.
I said chicken.
Oh, really?
This chicken is, I mean, this steak is juicy. It's very chewy.
Yeah, I don't know. Y'all choose which one is age before beauty.
We can rock, paper, scissors.
Rock, paper,
Wait,
scissors.
one time?
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors.
You're going too
I
fast.
said rock, paper, scissors. You're not saying rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hold up.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 8 period.
Look, go first.
Well, you're asking the questions, but I get to answer first.
Where's my favorite place to go? Who knows me?
Like, what do you mean? In the U.S. or?
My favorite place to visit.
Atlantic City?
Bam,
Philly?
bam.
Why would?
Yeah.
That's cheap.
This is good. I know what you're saying.
I rate this a 9.
I rated
It would have been rated a 10 if it had more meat in here. It would have been a 10. But it was a lot of noodles, and the more you dig, it was like it was growing more. So it's not going anywhere. Look at all I ate and we ate, and look at all this that's still left. So it's a lot in here. But they don't match the meat to go with it. So I give it a 9.
Yeah, me too.
I give it an 8. It's sweet. I like it.
I give it a 7 just because they ain't have enough steak in there.
But you taking 3 points away? Oh, you rough.
That's a lot of noodles.
Yeah. You just.
And you got to search for the meat. Where's the beef? Yeah, where the beef at?
Okay. The Connie I rated a 10 as
Yes.
always. Cause
What's the Connie?
It was seaweed with rice and crab meat.
That get a 2. And I give it a 2. I give it a 2 because it was so perfectly wrapped. That's the only reason why.
I'm 2 because it was perfectly wrapped.
That's it.
I give
Okay.
it a 10. It was great, as always. Even from a different store, it's good.
But it's much smaller than wasabi. Wasabi's is much bigger and thicker. Mr. Sushi's is like
2. What's next?
The California.
California. I give it a
8.
I give it a 8 only because I don't like the avocado.
I like
2.
it. It's mushy.
On the other hand.
I like how it's mushy.
Ew. She like how it's mushy.
It is. When you chew it a lot, it's mushy. Because of the avocado, and I like it.
Ooh. Y'all gonna make me ooh.
Okay, so for the burrito,
I even like it.
I give it a 5.
I feel like since they like no offense to them, but
The chicken, fried chicken, in it, they'll have no taste. It's like
it's like they just
bland.
threw it in breadcrumbs and threw it in the
Right. There is no taste. Not even the breadcrumbs is not seasoned.
at all. It just tastes bland. We're like, oh, let's just try the sushi burrito. We was gonna get like a.
Imagine if that was a big Connie roll.
It's not good. Like I said, I give it a 5.
I give it a 2.
They are other stuff like
You giving a burrito a 10?
A 2.
Me too.
Oh, a 2?
I expect them to have like this
Because it kept falling
sauce
apart.
on it, like this tasty sauce on it. Like,
Okay, so what about the vegetable spring roll?
I give it an 8. Because it has some flavor
I give
to
it a
it.
5. I don't even like it.
A 5.
I think
too
it was a
greasy.
9, a 8. I give it an 8.
Yeah.
Yeah, it would have. It was a little too greasy, and I don't even know what the hell was in it. What's in this spring roll? Vegetables. What vegetable do I remember eating out of it?
I think I had like cabbage.
Yeah, I think it was a. I think I seen a cabbage or a string of carrot. I don't know. 8, but it was good. But it was a little
Okay.
greasy.
These little cheese wontons.
Yeah.
I gave it
The
a
cheese
0.
wontons, I give a 10.
I didn't like it.
I give it a 0.
It tasted.
I gave it a 10. It's like a cream cheese puff, cheesecake type sweet. It was good.
It wasn't like how I expected it to be. I thought it was gonna be like mozzarella.
Yes.
Vibes.
I did too,
Like
but I
nacho
like that
cheese.
kind of cheese puff that's in there because I tasted it before in like rolls from the bakery. They have that kind of cheese. That's what the cheese puffs is at the bakery. So I give it a 10. The noodles was a 9 because it needs some more meat. The cheese puffs I give a 10 because it was perfect. It was light, airy, crispy, sweet, puffy, cheesy, and good. Next.
I think that's a little bit crab in there. The sweet potato roll.
The sweet potato roll,
I
I
give it a
also
10.
give it a 10.
It was
It tastes
great.
like French fries.
It was pretty good. It was sweet and crunchy and it had flavor. So I give it a 10.
I give it a 8.
I like it.
Only 'cause
I would
don't
eat
really
it
like sweet
again.
potato.
Like
Me
I will
too.
order it again.
Me too.
But I just sweet potato.
This what is this? Can we rate this?
What is it?
Oh, the chicken tempura.
The chicken
Same thing
tempura.
as the chicken tempura burrito.
I give it a
It has no
6.
taste.
I give it a 6.
It was okay.
And I didn't know it had the bulky on it. Which
The
is
boogeyman.
the bulkiest fish eggs. It's like that fish head she ate.
Oh, that's why I'm sick.
If you didn't see that video, the video will be right here.
So all in all,
What I
all the
ordered from-
sushi together in one, you rate a what?
I give it an 8.
7.
8.5.
7.
I give it an 8 because of California roll, the
7.
connie, and this sweet potato.
Because I only gave one thing a 10 and one thing
Oh,
a
and that
9. Yeah.
Thank you guys for watching this funny video. What is it? Oh, we spent an hour doing this.
I guess that's what it will always do.
Yeah. Overall, the food is like a 50-50. Some of them we have never tried before. Some of them we did, which was the Connie and California roll. But the other ones we haven't tried it before, and
Ain't gonna try it again.
no.
Mm-mm.
Disappointment. Sorry, Mr. Sushi.
Mm.
But it was a disappointment. Yeah. Make sure you guys watch my other videos. You know.
And we'll just see you again with the
She
Duchess.
keep trying to end the video.
Okay.
Y'all want to put socials on here? Y'all already know. Well, y'all already know her socials. T-Bone 50-50.
What is a
Ain't
T-bone?
no T-Bone. It's Terry Wall 79.
What is T-bone 50-50?
I don't know. An old code to a
Wi-Fi.
old Wi-Fi code or something.
T-Bone 50-50.
It
And
used to be a tablet password.
I remember your turn.
My Instagram is just beautiful_key. beautiful__key_.
Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the little sushi mukbangy type vibes. If you live in New Jersey, on my end, I recommend Mr. Sushi, depending on what you like. Everybody doesn't like the same thing. So,
And wasabi.
And that's in Cherry Hill.
Yeah, stay tuned for my next video. It's going to be a lit banger because it's going to be like a get ready with me type vibe when I go to my graduation, which is like next month. So get ready. I'll see you guys in my next video.
With the Duchess.
No, not with the Duchess. Bye bye.
And Kia love.
Yeah, and Kia love.
Who? Kilo?
Kia love.
Kia Love.
Yes.
I can't be Duchess, but she can be Kia Love. I can't be Duchess, but she can be Kia Love.
Bye.